AJ Apone.
And I'm Alan Apone.
And we are the Mask Initiative. We planned on doing 100 masks, couple hundred masks, and then that really exploded into, over 2,500 masks, and it looks like that we're going to hit around 3,500 masks by the end of our material. So my dad and I are co-owners of a special effects makeup company, and we supply, Hollywood with all kinds of makeup, prosthetics, bald caps, but you name it.
During this pandemic, our effects product line has been shut down because we service the entertainment industry. And since nobody's working, nobody's buying. But it has afforded us the ability to create the Mask Initiative and to be able to work every day to get masks to our first responders and frontliners. So that's been a very rewarding experience. When we started, we only figured we were going to do a few hundred masks. And as it grew, we've done, over 2,500, close to 3,000 at this point.
So we've donated over 1,000 masks to law enforcement agencies across the country. The demand by the law enforcement world has been quite high. It's been awesome to see.
One of the things we didn't realize was how much the police and law enforcement needed it, as when they go on calls, they're unprotected most of the time. So the outpouring from the police departments around the town have been amazing.
Police being on the front lines, they had a high demand for masks and low support. So we decided that we could help them as well.
We never really anticipated making as many masks as we have.
It was a daunting task. I just knew that it was going to be hard. Him and I have worked every day since March 26th. We haven't had one day off. My birthday, didn't take my birthday off. And we're working 14, 16-hour days.
The fire department's actually been pretty significant in their orders from us, as well as EMTs and ambulance. So it's been quite an outpouring. The film community for this too has been amazing. We've had a lot of our donations have come from, people that I work with directly and indirectly in the film community. It was just, it was just amazing to see the outpouring, like AJ said, people, pitching in.